Okay guys, it is Vouchers back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to fix the glitch if you guys have this on the RK61 gaming keyboard, where half of the keys on mine didn't work until I hold it down FN and I press the key. So like you can't do that every time you want to play. So this is going to be the tutorial on how to fix that. So let's get right into this. Okay guys, the first step to fixing your keyboard is to download the software. And you guys think you just go to this website and download it, right? And go right here. But no, I think this company was made by Chinese. So after you get to the part, like where you actually press download, it's so confusing. So we have a Google Drive made here by Gizmo Ground. He's the one who made it. And you basically just want to click on the third one of this. This is going to work. And then just go through the download process. You guys know how to do that. So yeah, when you download it, you'll get here, and then you'll be on a profile like profile 0, let's just say. And then all your keys, you just want to go to all your keys. So let's see, I doesn't work. And then you're going to want to press keyboard and then FNI. Now I will work, and then U, and then you're going to want to go to keyboard and FNU. And then let's say this one doesn't work, keyboard FNUY. So even these, like my keys didn't work, so I had to go do this. It takes a little bit. FN1. So all the ones that have a little like digit under it, you'll have to do that to it. So with this software, you can also go to lighting and you change like the lighting of your keyboard. Gaming mode, you can like make sure different things won't work. Macros, you can set macros. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you guys and it fixed your problems. And I'll see you in our next video.